Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. XCF backends and as well as app API inside today we need to create here the admin side API for the car brand approve, car model approve and car series approve API we need to develop here. First of all, we need to create here the copy here the delete API like this years and we need to modify this API. First of all, we need to set here the cards modes. Also need to seers and also need to remove these other things no need seers. Seers and now we need to set this here the status and seers. Also need to remove CS status like this sets and also need to set here status and not equal to and to set here the specific need to set this here the case and 0 and set here once starts 0 and down here and methods false here and like this modify as a new dates need to set this years and also need to pass here the status not equal to need to set here the deleted like this sets. If you get this here the affected results and to all these years and also need to see here the G success as with the delete brand series set return this response need to check this video now need to these years also need to change this API approve like this here thing. Now need to copy seers. Now we need to set this here the models approve API and to give this here the model ID. Now need to create here the model tables side join query CM also need to automatically brand is verify so I need to connect here and need to set here brand ID, brand ID, sets years, plus signs we need to set these years. Same as we need to copy this here, this value. Past as skills. Set years like this sets years, and now we need to set here the model ID. Copy this also need to set here sets and to model ID. This is for the approve the models API. We need to thing done, and now we need to create here the series approve. Need to copy this series approve for text approve. Now we need to needs here the series ID. Now we need to connect here the series models. Tables we need to connect. Yes, like this years names. Just need to copy this way, and I need to configure here here the model ID. And also need to dot sets. So need to copy here again value this years the CS CS dot equal to and 1 other 0. Need to set here the like toggles on, then off, on, off, like this. Need to set this here. Also need to change this here status, and here the series I need to replace years, and this is the series approve API are the developed done. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.